this video, I'm going to explain how to do a wrist wrap on poi. Wrist wraps are a poi move that looks like this. The first step when doing a wrist wrap is this wall plane, same direction, split time, spinny thing. This isn't really a move in and of itself, but you want to have your planes kind of clean here, and you're spinning in split time. I typically let my poi be fully extended when I'm going into a wrist wrap, but you can grab onto the leashes to give yourself a bit more control. Actually, often what I do is I hold onto the leashes, and then right before going into the wrist wrap, I let them fully extend. From this spin, I find it helpful to not just spin the poi, like keeping your hands in place, but to give a little bit of an isolation. So an isolation on poi is when you're trying to keep the poi head in one place and you're moving your arm around it. You're not going to be doing a full isolation with the poi, but you want to be moving your hands a little bit with the poi because that will slow down the circle and make it easier to get your hands into around the leashes, under the leashes where they need to be. The first motion of the wrist wrap is shoving your hand into the circle of the poi so that the leash will wrap around your wrist. For the right hand, what this motion is when the poi is reaching this down beat towards the center. So as the poi scoops up and down, before it scoops down, you want to sort of push your hand forward so that it wraps down around your wrist. So to show that more from the side, you want to really push your hand into the circle of the poi. Also, you want to try to make sure that the leash gets around your wrist, or at least down towards the bottom half of your hand. You really don't want it wrapping around your fingers, because then it's easy for it to slide off, and you won't have as much force to control the wrap itself. For your left hand, it's the same idea. When it's scooping up towards the center, you want to shove your left hand forward so that the poi wraps around it, so that the leash of the poi wraps around it. Again from the side. So you can actually practice this with both hands at once, and you might find it useful to do so because you're going to need to do that first wrap at the same time with each hand. So when you're in your split time wall plane, whatever this is, you just want to shove forward, and it should be happening at the same time. So when your right poi is coming down and your left poi is coming up, shove your hands forward, and the leashes wrap around your wrists. Now, when you're doing an actual wrist wrap, you want the first wrap to happen around each arm. But every subsequent wrap, you want it to be around both arms. So the way to do that is, once you've shoved your hands into those circles and gotten that first wrap, you want to immediately clap your hands together. So palm to palm. That will bring the poi together so that both circles are happening in the same place around your wrist. And because they're in split time, the poi heads shouldn't collide. And you should just get this nice wrap around both your hands. So that looks like this. We're going to shove and clap. Again, shove and clap. And looking at it from the side, shove and clap. Shove and clap. So the way that I've been getting out of this move, as you have seen, is once I do that first wrap, I just pull my hands apart, and I'm back to this wall plane flower with them now spinning towards my right. So they switch direction in order to unwrap. If you want to do a continuous wrist wrap, instead of just pulling your hands apart and leaving them apart, what you'll do is pull your hands apart and then immediately clap them back together. What you're likely to find is when you're doing the initial wrist wrap, I tend to have my hands horizontal with my right hand on top, and then when I switch to the other side, my left hand is on. So what you're likely to find is when you're doing that switch, you'll pull apart and you'll also flip your hands. As you get more comfortable with this move, you may find that you don't have to pull your hands apart as far. So the pulling apart is to give the poi the momentum to switch direction and unwrap and then rewrap. So you may find, as you get used to it, that instead of doing this dramatic pull apart and clap, you can really just twist your hands and maybe flex them a little bit to push the poi, but keep them very tight together. And then whenever you want to come out of it, you just pull your hands apart completely and you can stall the poi down, or go back into any split time same direction move, or stall out of that into whatever you want. An important thing to note with wrist wraps is that the leashes can really start to chafe your wrists if you do them a lot, especially if you're practicing a lot because you don't know them yet. So I highly recommend taking breaks as you're learning them and not doing them too much at once, because not only can it be useful to leave and come back and let the muscle memory sit in, but it will also make your skin a lot less red and fruity. Yeah. Also, very importantly, do not try wrist wraps with chains as the leashes of your poi, because the chains are likely to catch on one another. They're likely to hurt your skin and pinch your skin as they're wrapping around you, and to catch on one another, which will make the wrap not go as smoothly. And especially if you're doing it on fire, then there will be a lot of fire close to your hands, and that's not good, so don't do that. That's how you do a wrist wrap.